Hey everyone, this is Derek with OPTP. Today we're going to be focusing on releasing the hamstrings, and we're going to be using our black axis roller. Now the black axis roller is great if you're an athlete or you appreciate a more intense release and activation experience, because this guy is firm and it's going to really create that pressure that allows you to really release and activate the muscle tissue. So I'm going to start here underneath the leg. Again, we're releasing the hamstrings here, so I'm going to just start with the leg straight up, toe pointed straight up. I'm going to use my hands here to lift my body off the floor, and I'm just going to start by rolling the back of the leg here with my toes pointed up. So this is where we're going to be working on those traditional kind of hamstrings muscles, the biceps femoris, the semimembranosus, the semitendinosus. And as we roll here, we're going to want to cover kind of from the bottom of the hip all the way to just above the knee. So as we go through this release technique, we're going to start to want to turn externally and internally, rotate the leg so that we can kind of, for example here, as I turn inward, get more to the gracilis, right, which is going to really benefit kind of the inner thigh. So I would roll here, again, stopping on any tight or tense spots. And then after I spend about 30 seconds there with the toe turned in, I'm going to externally rotate and turn it out here. So that way I kind of start to get on the lateral aspect of the leg and maybe even get into the IT band here as well. Again, the black axis roller is a great choice for this because it's firm, so it's going to push those muscles up into the femur to create that compression, that good release. If you want something a little less intense, I have our silver axis roller here, which is a moderate firmness, which will give you what you need if you appreciate, again, that lesser intense activation and release experience. Head over to optp.com to learn more about the axis rollers. Thanks.